sabi ni Maine sa akin, ikaw doon nag-guide sa kanya when you were doing Destined to Be Yours. Dahil hindi siya sanay sa mga telenovela. Anong basically ang naitulong mo sa kanya?
Maliit lang po eh, kasi Maine is parang she has it, but she doesn't know it po, na meron siyang talent in terms of that. Parang yung guidance ko po na binigay sa kanya is very minimal. It's all her efforts. I mean, ayaw din niya na hindi niya nagagawa yung what's being asked of her. So it's really more for po, konti lang po yung thing.
So, yung sabi mo, pero paano mo naman ma-engage yung performance sa beginning?
Kasi, for a beginner, kung ako yung nasa lugar ni May, na ako yung beginner, hindi ko magagawa yung nagagawa niyo. It's a big jump. Mahirap the world of show business, especially soap opera. Hirap ako for first soap ko until the second soap. Sobrang adjustments. Ang hirap umacting. But with her, maybe because of what Kali Seria did to us then as well, mas madali sa kanya to do soap kasi may takes. But, yun nga, in terms of improvement, in terms of kung gaano siya magaling, she's
Baliktad daw
really...
yung video. Sorry. Baliktad daw yung video.
Pero so far, ano yung mga pinaka-enjoy part of
Courtesy free ka. Kita.
Well, basically, we're one big happy family po kasi sa Sine. Every day we look forward to seeing each other, seeing the crew, staff, kasi lahat kami doon, we're really going well. So, yung companies ng each other, yun yung look forward namin, of course, and we don't mind working late hours kasi we really enjoy what we're doing so far. Parang yun naman what really matters is when you enjoy what you're doing, hindi ka mahihirapan. We don't really get tired much. Kaya lang nga, in terms of physical tiredness, since schedules are so hectic, medyo, sometimes, minsan lang, pero we try to get over it. Tulog lang yan. Tulog lang yan. And then konting, pag on the way, or kapag hindi ka pa kukunan sa set, so, yun na lang, sleep.
Do you think it also helps na medyo mas light yung team time na?
Yeah.
So parang
Actually, parang hindi the show doesn't require us naman po to be to deliver heavy scenes. So that also helps ko kasi na may nasa shoot. Minsan I have a shoot as well, and then we segue to filming the soap opera. So parang hindi po ganun kabigat in terms of the mga nagawa ko before na soaps.
So ano naman sa tingin mo sa Cubano si Kuya, how do you think the fans are responding to sa
Of course, minsan po may iba na affected, may iba na supportive, may iba na parang nagtatanong bakit kailangan pa. I mean, kasi that's the the basic formula of soap opera. Kasi there are characters. There are characters being put into the soap, into the story to make more interesting, parang magkaroon ng conflict, para mas magkaroon ng volume, mas kumapal yung story ng characters. So, in a way, dapat nakikita natin yung what's on TV lang and what's not on TV. So, we're just doing it para mas mapaganda yung story, and I think so far naman po it's working.
Pero ikaw parang do you try to explain pa to the fans kung bakit kailangan to?
Well, basically, yung supporters namin talaga namin, they're very understanding. They really get to parang play along the story of Destined to Be Yours kasi nga, yun naman talaga yung purpose nun eh, parang to give experience, to give different emotions to the viewers, kung anong mararamdaman nila. So we really can't blame them if that's what they're feeling about the soap. Kasi viewers sila eh. Tapos very opinionated nowadays ang mga viewers ng TV. So we just have to let them be opinionated. And in a way, makakuha rin how to improve the story as well.
Alden, do you feel na kailangan mong mag-explain sa mga fans niyo? I know they're very possessive, they're very opinionated. Do you think kailangan mong mag-explain sa kanila every time there's an issue about the show or about you and Maine?
Siguro hindi naman po possessive. They're, parang, in a way, sa pag-explain naman po, parang, we just let the story explain itself. Eh. Parang hindi, we certain decisions are being made para, kasi parang it's a way of telling the story in a more colorful way. We bring color to the soap in terms of conflicts, in terms of addition of characters. Kasi parang nga pong lately, medyo may mga characters po na parang what the viewers feel like is hindi so. So we don't really, kami when we see to it na we don't really explain much. We just
let the series speak for itself.
Yes, exactly.
What else can the fans expect coming?
So, well, kasi ngayon parang nandun na kami sa stage na na si Benji and Sinag are very confused with their relationship, with their own personal relationships. Na parang hindi so each other regardless of what happened before dun sa province nila. They still want each other. So, andun na yung conflict ngayon na parang what will they do? Ipaghiwalay ba sila for them to be with each other, or they will just let the situation be na okay na sila ng individual partners because they think they're at their best pag iba yung partners. So that's the conflict.
Makakaulang pa natin. Maglalang.
I don't know. Parang mga 4 more weeks. 1 month. Yes, 1 more month.
Just in terms of ano naman, kissing scenes, makaka-expect mo yung
Oh, well, we did one na accidental. Na when we were at the comedy bar, parang accidental kissing scene. But, surprise, secret. Meron yan, for sure.